Hatire udutanganja kigeranio gya KCSE kya mwaka uyu nigikambiriria muthenya wa rucio thutha wa arutwo kuma cukuru tiganite guku bururi-ini guthie na mbere na mihaririria mao. Kaunti-ini ya Baringo kuri gukoretwo no haguku wa ugitiri, gavana wa kaunti ya Stanley Kiptis nioritie arutwo metheme na ciiko cia kuhenania igeranio-ini ciao na iria igicungiriria gukanjwo kwa maumirira mao.
Your girls are saying flying colors. Boys, you are saying what?
Kiptis yaritio cukuru-ini wa Kabarnet hindi igongona ria kuhoera arutwo aria mareka kigeranio kiu na kuria anoritie mehuge na gukua indo iria ingikuirwo na ikoro ikihuthirwo hari kuhenania igeranio-ini ciao.
We don't encourage cheating, and anybody who is going to see one or two forms of cheating, please, let's avoid. Run away from that. That's a dangerous animal. It will kill us. We don't want cheating. Don't assume us, please. Students, teachers, the invigilators, the supervisors, do the right thing.
Kiptis niatugiritie ikinya ria thirikari ria kugacirithia ugitiri guothe bururi-ini.
Peace that is prevailing in our county and in the country Kenya. We want to thank God for it.
Na kushukuru wa Kapteko Baringo ya Rugongo aciari na arutwo ni matafanite mahoya riri mbura nene ithite na mbere na guthandana undu uria urehete wagagu ati kigeranio kiu no gicererwo kwambiririo. Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Nakuru mehariria otamaya no mathiite na mbere kuri arimu hamwe na arutwo maugite mari na mwihoko wa igeranio icio guthie na mbere wega gutani na ihingica. Kurigana na mwalimu munene wa cukuru wa Molo Academy Joseph Kamau, arutwo ni mehaririirie wega na mari na mwihoko wa gwika wega ona makiria ma mwaka ucio muhituku. Kamau niatugiritie magarũrũku maria mekitwo ni ministry ya githomo akiuga ciiko cia kuhenania ni ithite thina gikiro kinene.
We definitely expect better results this year after sitting the first exam last year, which we can call Matiang 1. We can call this Matiang 2, and I really want to appreciate what the government has put into place in a way of making sure the exam is done in an environment that's conducive and free of any stimulus material.
Ohide-ini ororiu mubunge wa Molo Kuria Kimani niacereire mathukuru matiganite gicigo-ini kiu kuria ahinyiriirie arutwo gutigirira ni meka wega igeranio-ini ciao. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV ni Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.